Alright guys, so I'm doing a recorded video because I have a lot going on and wanted to get this out to you. So I just left the gym looking like a real hot mess, and I'm just going to do a quick neutral look just to give you an idea of kind of what my everyday would look like. So let me get all of my tools out. As you are watching this, because it is pre-recorded, just hashtag replay so I can kind of get an idea of who's been in here. And let's see, is there anything else I wanted to share before we get started? I think that was it. All right, so this Friday starts our Black Friday sale. 9 different deals. And I will have information the day before, so I will be collecting orders and money so that the day they launch, I can hop in line for you and grab all of the goodies. These are going to be great to get and split apart for stocking stuffers. They're going to be great to get items that you want or need or gonna need at a discount. So when I share those, in my VIP group and my Black Friday group, you're going to want to comment immediately because they do sell out. And so if for some reason I get in line and you had ordered and we don't get yours, I'll refund that money right back to you. But they are going to be amazing. So I have a Black Friday group that will get all the exclusive information. I'm gonna probably share some of it in my VIP group, but most of that information is going to go through that VIP Black Friday sale group. So if you're not in it, comment below Black Friday sales so I can go ahead and get you in that group and invite you and make sure you have access to all of that because it's going to be really good. And then, let's see, anything else that I wanted to share? I think that might have been it. All right, so today's going to be a super quick BB Flawless, neutral look, neutral eye, all of that. Let's see, I think that's everything. All right. I'm trying to get everything laid out so that as I'm going through, I can really walk through this with you guys and talk to you. So let me know about the Black Friday stuff. Also, guys, if you are interested in the special that's going on this month, it is the anniversary packaging that is on our Epic mascara and our Quad palette. So this is the packaging is all based off of our 7-year anniversary. But this is completely customizable, so you can pick your colors. I can surprise you. I love picking colors. Let me pick colors. We can do it super neutral. We can do it super bold. We can pick you a palette that you could use for your eyebrows, your eyeshadow, your eyeliner, your highlighting, your contouring, your blush, and your lipstick. We can pick 4 colors that could be very versatile in all of that. You can get the Epic in this anniversary packaging. You can get the waterproof Epic, or you can get the 4D. So those come together. You can get the bundle, which includes the bag, or you can just pick one item and get free shipping on whichever one you're wanting. So I have one of these currently waiting for someone. It's just sitting there. It's beautiful. It's ready. So if you just want the eyeshadow, I have one currently like ready to go. So let me know and I can get that for you. If you're wanting the whole deal, comment and let me know if you're wanting one or the other, so we can make that work for you. All right. So let's start off. Let's get this rolling. I kind of want to see how long it takes me to do just a quick. All right. So Glorious Touch Primer, super important. Just a little bit. It goes a very long way. And then I'm going to let that sit for a minute. I am going to use some eye primer today because I'm just going to be using my new Quad Shadow palette. So sometimes I just use our liquid eyeshadow and I highlight with our Quad, or I'll use my Splurge. But today I am trying to go super natural, so I'm just going to use our primer. I feel like I got a little bit more on one eye than the other. All right, so everything has been primed and ready. Let's go ahead and do our eyes while that is setting. So this is my palette that I picked. It's a super neutral palette. Still could be used for eyebrows and contouring as well as eyeshadows, so and eyeliner. So we can go either way with that. I'm gonna go all over with my lightest shade. Very transitional. And just with a wide brush all over. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my shimmer. I'm gonna do it as my highlighting here and in my crease down there, or the corner of my eye. Just a little bit of shimmer. And since it's a very similar color and neutral, you can kind of bring it down a little bit into that lighter shade. Okay. And then I'm going to go with this medium brown. I don't have my colors in front of me. Oh, I forgot to use it in the crease or in the corner, so I'm gonna have to do that. Then I will kind of blend up into that. Let me go back with that gold shimmer and do it right there to kind of open up my eyes a little bit. Okay. Added shimmer there is always really good. And always start off with a small amount, and then you can go back and continue to add as you need to. And then I'm going to take the darkest brown and just really lightly blend in my crease. Give that a little bit of dark. So my suggestion when building a quad palette is to always have you're always going to want a light color, some sort of shimmery neutral, and a very basic like tan or cream or brown that can be used all over without being super bold. And then you're going to want a dark shade for any sort of crease or added boldness or any effect there. So that's all I'm doing for my eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and cover up some of this redness from the gym. So concealer is one of those things too that you're definitely going to always want to have on hand. It's just an added extra coverage. You can tell already the difference that it does with that little bit of little tiny dot right there. Just takes in and blends in that redness so that you have that added coverage. Any blemishes or acne, allergies or cold with this red nose I got going on over here. Don't know if I need to be looking like Rudolph. And then you can always use it for under your eyes if you need that added support, if you did not sleep well, if you have a baby or a toddler, or if you just don't sleep well anymore. And then also contouring. We're going out to eat for my mom's birthday, so maybe I'll get on here and show y'all a little bit of contouring later. But I have 3 different shades of concealer, my normal shade, a dark shade, and a light shade. All right, so now I'm going to go in, trying to keep up my time. 6 minutes, y'all. It's not bad. I'm going to do a little bit of my BB cream. I'm going to do this dark shade. So BB cream is also good for summer. It's a hydrating, moisturizing foundation. Or it can be good for contouring as well. So I'm mixing those two colors. I did the dark in the middle and the light around it so that it can blend and match my shade, because I don't feel like I'm as light as my lightest shade, but I'm also not as dark as my darkest shade, because that was my summer shade. So BB cream is really good, and you can even see the moisture that it gives. It does not have a matte finish. It is a light coverage, light feel foundation. And it's a complexion enhancer, so that's really good. Gives you that added oomph. All right, so now I'm really not even probably gonna do anything but just bronzer, since I'm doing very neutral right now. I'm gonna go right on my cheeks with the bronzer. And then I'm gonna take my stipple brush, and I'm just literally gonna give myself some added color. Okay. And then just fluffy blend everything together. I'm gonna set it with my setting spray. All right. A little bit of, I'm gonna do brown since we're doing very neutral. A little bit of brown, and I'm only gonna do the top. Just enough that it gives me something to kind of stand out with my eyes, but not so much that I have like too much on. Tame these eyebrows a little bit. Okay. Lash primer. And then I'm going to end with my Epic. Epic. So it does take a lot, and honestly I haven't had a mascara I've ever used that didn't take a lot of just figuring out that process with each brush, and each type of mascara is just a little bit different. So you're just going to want to, less is more to start, and just really get a good coat on those lashes. And then the more you go back, the more you're adding that volume to your lashes. So just start with less, so then you're not building up any excess on your lashes that you're not wanting. But this Epic is really good everyday mascara, especially for those ladies that have those dark and long lashes already. You don't need all that added volume sometimes. But I think I've told y'all many times, my makeup is dependent upon my mood. And so sometimes my mood is bold and I want 4D. And I want extra volume. Sometimes my mood is simple and I'm just gonna do one coat of Epic because I don't want all that added volume. So you go with how you feel. All right, and I'm gonna fix fix that eye. So when I don't put anything on my bottom lash, like any eyeliner, I feel like my lashes stand out way more than when I put eyeliner, so get that added feel. And then what I do is I go underneath with just a Q-tip and kind of get anything that might have gotten underneath that I didn't want. And then we have a good tool for getting under here and like brushing out your lashes. I don't have it, but it looks like it'd be an amazing tool to have, especially right about now when I'm just trying to make sure that they don't look too clumpy. All right, so that is my neutral and natural look. Just a real quick, and it took me 10 minutes.